Alright, here we have my window on my Datsun 620. The gasket on here is super dry rotted and hard. We're gonna take this out. Because it was so inflexible on the windshield, I ended up breaking it out of the windshield in pieces with a little, these are called non-marring scrapers. They're kind of like little chisels. Got it at Harbor Freight. I'll see if I can find a link and put it in the description. So basically what I did is I would wedge it in between the gasket and then just break little chunks out. I'm able to just peel it out, but it looks like if I can just chisel this out all the way around like that, just in pieces, I should be able to pull the window out, and then I can break the rest of the gasket out. See how it's exposing the window here? So I'll do that all the way around to include on the top as well. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this because it's coming out pretty easy that way, and then I'll show you how we put the gasket in and just work it a little at a time. So I'll leave that bottom half in and we'll do all the way around. And oh, look at that. That's pretty easy. Cool, so we got it off all around here. I bet I can go on the inside and just kind of pop it out. Let me get a table set up and we will, you know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying, brah? Ooh, right there I just scratched the glass. So I didn't want to use any metal on here. Ooh, shit. Here we go. There we go. So one thing is this glass has been so dirty and I've cleaned it 100 times, so I'm going to try to polish it today and see if we can get some of that film off of it. Some kid just drove by on his bike and said, "Woo, that's a nice car." If he only drove it though, then he'd want to be back in his parents' Corolla. Now I can just pull out the old gasket. That's cool. The old gasket has drain holes in it. I don't know if the new one does. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up the glass. Fill some. Gross. That's probably enough. Cleared it up quite a bit. Well, it looks a lot better already, so I'm happy with that. Booyah. Alright, I've tried to lay this out to how the glass is gonna go in it. So there is a deep slit in here and the glass is gonna fit into this slit, and then on the other side there's another slit, and that's the part that's going to connect it to the truck. I mean, I'll show you how we're going to connect it to the truck after I get the glass on here. We're just going to start working this glass into here. I put this clamp on here to hold this side on because the whole thing wants to come off. I'll try going this way first. Alright, so what I did is I got the bottom on first, and that seems to be giving me a lot more grip on the window, and I can set it down and hold the bottom in, and then I'll just start working a little bit at a time from the corner. One thing that seems to help is if you can actually physically pull up the lip and not just try to force it in there. There we go. Alright. There we go. Okay, this is going to be the hard part. Actually, I got most of it in, so I just need to get this piece in here. This would probably be a lot easier if you did have a second person. Just making sure it's all the way in the channel. And then you can see this lip right here. This is the lip that's going to go inside the truck. Alright, so I have my string here. This is my 550 cord. And I'll just start it in this lip here at a corner, because that's where I'm going to pull the string from first to get a corner into the truck. And I will definitely get some help to put this in the truck just so someone can hold the window in place while I put the window in. I'm going to run the string all the way around, And I found this 550 cord works really good. It's like the right size. You know, it's fun watching me put this string in here, right? So I'll cross the strings a little bit here. Let's bring them all the way to the corner. So we're gonna do this corner first.
Let me see if I get it in there first.
Okay, I think we'll go the top string first. There it goes. Okay, you just push up on the window, like just a little bit up. Yeah. Can you grab the seal at the bottom and like push up? There you go. Oh. Ooh. Come on, baby. Yeah, the top's not in though.
Oh, no.
Okay, at the top, push it in. Oh, hold on. Oh, just a little bit. There you go. Okay, you can see the gasket's in, the window's in, and you can see there's some spots where the gasket's not all the way correct. You know, it's not all the way down, and so what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing it and I'm pulling it in and down, and it is fitting, and so the top is really like that. So I will do that all the way around. Probably need 2 hands. And then I have these little body clip tools, and so these are helping me kind of, you know, massage them how I need to, and hopefully we'll get it here in a minute. You can take your little body tool and then just, where am I, go around and just pull the lip out just so it seals nicely on the body, and if anywhere where you have like humps or anything, you can just massage that. And it seems like on here the biggest part is just around the corners. Like you can see, it's folded over on itself right here. So just put that tool and boom, it pops out. You can get these at AutoZone or Amazon or whatever. Once again, as always, like all the YouTubers, because I'm a YouTuber today, we'll put it in the description. Oh, look down here, it's folded on itself too. So you just, if I remember correctly, this tool came in a kit, and I've used it a lot. Not for what it was supposedly for, but it came in a kit to do your own vinyl wrapping of your own trim in your car. And I never did that. I just bought the kit because I needed some plastic body clip tools. Looks good on the outside. Way better. Everything on the inside looks good too. I got my receding headliner right there. Hopefully we'll replace that someday. All right, good luck on replacing your own rear windshield. It is bright out here. Peace.